Hello, you are watching a news bulletin of IPR Department with me, Shirin Eden. Let's look at some of the news making headlines this week. According to the latest update on COVID-19 cases in Sikkim provided by the State Health Department, 54 positive cases from East Sikkim were reported by the end of the day on Saturday. The total number of active cases is now 169 and total cured and discharged stands at 5,983. 85,496 tests have been conducted till date and 136 persons have died from the disease. Currently, there is not a single person admitted in the ICU and no COVID-related death was reported in the last 24 hours. As far as COVID-19 vaccination is concerned, a total of 2,662 persons, including healthcare workers, frontline workers, senior citizens and people belonging to the age group of 45 years and above, were vaccinated by the end of the day on Saturday. Out of the total, 2,440 received the first dose and 2,222 received the second dose of COVID-19 vaccine. It has been informed that for Tika Utsav, which begins today, mass vaccination is being carried out at the Gymnasium Hall of Fajo Stadium, Gangtok, instead of Urban Primary Health Center of Old STNM Hospital. However, COVID-19 vaccinations at New STNM, CRH Manipal Ranipul Urban PHC will continue. Tika Utsav will be held across the state in all the districts in respective community health centers and primary health centers. Please contact your nearest center to get registered and vaccinated. On the occasion of Tika Utsav, a vaccination festival, Chief Minister Shri Prem Singh Tamang received the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine at STNM Hospital, Soshagang on Sunday. Spouse of Chief Minister Krishna Rai, Minister Sonam Lamba, Secretary to HCM SD Dhakal and other officials also received the vaccine. In his brief address to media, the Chief Minister appealed to the masses who are in the age group of 45 years and above to come forward and participate in the Tika Utsav. The Chief Minister also extended gratitude to Prime Minister Narendra Modi for providing COVID-19 vaccine free of cost and also stressed on the Vaibi Karaibi. He stated that Sikkim is well equipped with the COVID-19 testing and treating equipment with the support of experienced doctors, nurses and other frontline workers. He also urged everyone to strictly adhere to the COVID-19 appropriate behavior, including restriction of unnecessary movement to curb the transmission of virus. A high-level meeting was held at Manan Kendra on Sunday to take stock of the situation in the wake of the second wave of COVID-19 and to organize a Tika Utsav, a vaccination festival in the state. The meeting, chaired by the Chief Minister, was attended by the Cabinet Ministers, Chief Secretary, DGP, Additional Chief Secretary, Principal Secretaries, Secretaries of all the departments, Special DGP, Heads of Department, District Collectors, Superintendent of Police and senior officials of various departments. The meeting thoroughly discussed the present COVID-19 status, vaccination drive and treatment in the state, and also deliberated on the issues that need urgent attention and interventions from all the stakeholders. The Chief Minister appealed everyone to follow the five-fold strategy of testing, tracing, treatment, COVID-appropriate behavior and vaccination to deal with the virus. He also gave directions to the heads of the state government departments to prepare lists of all the employees who have attained 45 years and above to encourage them to take the vaccine in the drive. Directions were also given to relevant departments to generate massive awareness through campaigns and publicity on the second wave of the pandemic and sensitize the general public in the state. The Chief Minister also directed the heads of all the departments, including the district collectors and the superintendents of police, to chart out a roadmap for comprehensive strategy to take the message across all sections of society and disseminate the information with regards to COVID-19 appropriate behavior, the Vaibi Karaibi, and to participate in Tika Utsav so that vaccination to targeted population could be achieved. As per the latest circular issued by the Education Department, all educational institutions, including government, government-aided and private, shall remain closed from 12th of April till 20th of April 2021. This is being done to ensure that all officers and employees of schools and educational institutions, including teaching and non-teaching staff who are 45 years and above in age, are compulsorily vaccinated. It has been further informed that all activities related to the CBSE examination scheduled during this period shall be taken up only after 20th of April, and online mode of education shall continue for all. With 168,912 new coronavirus cases, India recorded its highest single-day rise so far, thus taking the total tally to 1,35,27,717 today. According to Union Health Ministry data released this morning, the death toll increased to 1,70,179 with 904 daily new fatalities. The active cases have increased to 12,01,009, and the number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 1,25,56,529. India now accounts for 1 in every 6 daily infections worldwide. Today's new cases carried it past Brazil for an overall tally of 13.53 million. Data compiled by Reuters shows, placing it only after the United States. This is all we have for today. Please like and follow our Facebook page, that is the Government of Sikkim official page, for the most authentic news and information on recent developments in the government and the state. Please continue wearing masks and wear them properly, wash hands regularly and maintain physical distance while heading out, as our fight against COVID-19 still continues. In case you develop symptoms, please self-isolate and get tested within 7 days. People belonging to the age group of 45 years and above are requested to please get yourselves registered and vaccinated. Please remember, COVID-appropriate behavior needs to be followed even after getting vaccinated. Dawai bhi, karai bhi. Thank you for tuning in.